Hi guys, Grétar here at Solis. Today I want to talk about realistic hopes for the future. What can we expect after rehab? What can we expect in our sobriety? A lot of people think it's all going to be sunshine and rainbows and no problem, because it's been hammered into our heads. If you just stop drinking or drugging, it will all be fine, which is was in my case wasn't the reality at all. When I started becoming sober the right way, it was, I wouldn't say a straight way up, but more or less every day got better and better and better. I've also tried staying sober with no program, with no help, with nothing. That's when I feel the worst. The only thing I feel then is, you take away my solution. The only way for me to cope is taken away. So, that is no way for me forward. But this way, like, what we get after rehab is we have to face life on life's terms. And what does that mean for people like us? Well, it means we can't run and hide. It means we need to fit in as well as we can and be a part of. And for people like us, that is very, very difficult in so many cases. For me, realistic hopes are, we have a lot of issues to deal with when we get out of rehab, because we went into rehab, but we left everything burning behind us in so many cases. Not every case, in so many cases. We have issues with our loved ones and friends that we left into rehab, and these issues are still there. They haven't been dealt with. So what we do here is we help you reconnect with your loved ones. We help you deal with those issues and get better before you go back into real life. And so when you come out, you're going to be hit with reality. You're going to be hit with life itself. And living life is something that we're not really good at. So we need you to understand that the road to recovery is not a straight line up in most cases. It is like standing on a roller coaster and you're walking up a roller coaster that is going the opposite direction. It's going down, but you're walking up. Every 2 steps you get a step forward, but if you stop working on yourself, if you stop doing what you're supposed to do, you start going down. And that is the case for me now, even years into my sobriety. I feel it. If I get lazy, if I start getting the ideas I don't need it anymore, if I start getting the ideas that this is, I got this, I don't need to work on it this hard, and I don't have to do as much, I start going down backwards. And I have experienced going that much backwards that I turned into my old self and I started drinking again. That will ultimately happen. And at least in my case, and I've seen that in thousands of cases. So what you expect is, expect it to be work, but satisfying work. Expect it to be hard, but good. It's like putting in a really, really good workout. It's achy and painful, but you feel wonderful afterwards. Life in the beginning of sobriety is a little bit similar to that. It is, the more you put in, the more effort you put in, the better you are. So what I need you to do is brace yourselves and don't start, think that this is going to be a floating pink cloud. You come out and everything's fine and happy. No. What it is, it's work. But it is very, very well worth it, because if we do the work, if we put in the effort, we end up with a decent, gratifying life and peaceful mind. This thing here and this endless pit of anxiety, of fear, leaves us. That is what we get. So it's more than worth it. So join us, come on the a trip with us, come and see us, come and talk to us. We'll lead you the way. Thank you.